I thought I'd do a quick video showing the inside of this BT whole home mesh disc, as I couldn't find anything online. It's possible to remove this front cover by prying around the outside. It's held in place by about 10 clips. There's one here, one there. There's two behind the antennas here, there and there. So you have to be careful when you're prying it off not to damage these antennas. There's another one here. It's the same for the other side. You can see I managed to break about 3 of these off and caused a bit of damage. Because it's really on there. So that's the inside. The stand is held in place by one screw down here. That's pretty much it.